Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix words cannot be do this because the dialog box is open fix. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open our task manager, and if the Microsoft Office is running, then select and end task. The second method is that open a Microsoft Office. After opening the Microsoft Office, go to your the second and go to your words option. Click on add in and you can select the com.add in. Go to it. If any entry is available, then select and remove from it. Okay guys, in this in my case is not available any. So close, cancel it. I hope this video is, I hope after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, go to your installed apps and type Office, go to your Office, click on these three dot, click on a modify, click yes to continue, click on a repair. If any online method available, then you can repair it. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. So it's required for a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, close it. And restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.